coffee grinder, so let's start it. Bertha's Encore conical burr coffee grinder. Bertha's grinder are preferred by coffee professionals and backed by Bertha's world-class support. Bertha's best-selling grinder with its small footprint is the choice for brewing coffee at home, available in white or black. Convenient front mount plus button plus a simple on-off switch make it easy to grind fresh coffee. Conical burr that help you explore the extensive brew method. Hardened all steel burr manufactured in Liechtenstein, Europe, plus a powerful DC motor. This combination creates a consistent grain and durability to ensure the longevity users have come to expect for the Bertha's brand. The Encore is backed by Bertha's world-class support and a 1-year warranty. 2020 updated has exact same trusted. The next is AeroPress coffee grinder with scales 39 grind setting. The perfect amount of coffee grounded on demand on the touch of a button. Just choose the number of cups and auto does grinder will automatically deliver the grind to achieve the golden ratio of balanced cup of tea every time. Bean hopper designed for easy coffee filling with a large 14 oz capacity for an entire bag of coffee. It is designed to be easily removable and transfer coffee beans or cleaning. The bean hopper is engineered with an auto shut trap door to hold the whole bean coffee. When the hopper is removed from the grinder body, this allows the transfer of coffee beans to be stored when grinder is not in use. The next one is OXO Brew conical burr coffee grinder. Durable 40mm stainless steel conical burr with uniform grounds for optimal flavor extraction. 15 setting let you adjust your grind to suit your task. A touch start time will keep your last setting, just push to grind. Hopper hold up to 0.75 pound of coffee beans. Product dimension 12 into 7.4 into 16 inches. Ground container accommodate up to 110 gram, enough for 12 cups. Never use water or other liquid to clean the inside of the grinder. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. If you have any question about this coffee grinder, have a comment below. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.